Okay, OnePlus users, you need to check out this application. Recently, I found an application which was basically designed for nothing phones, but it works really well on my OnePlus smartphone. That's called Calculator. And this calculator application have replaced my stock calculator application, which generally we see on OnePlus smartphones. So in this video, let me show you guys what all additional features you get with this Calculator application, which you don't get to see on OnePlus stock calculator application. But before moving ahead, guys, if you find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. So to install this application, you just have to go to the Play Store and search for Calculator. It's not a huge app. The update size is somewhere around 7 MB. Soon you install, you'll see this welcome screen, which shows you what all you get inside this application. You have all the things like length, currency converter, weight, etc. And additionally, what I like here is it also includes things like loan, EMI calculator, splitting bill, and BMI calculator. And you can also customize this application as per your requirement. So now let's open up this application, and towards the left hand side, I'll also open OnePlus Calculator application. This is the layout which looks really modern on this particular application. On OnePlus, we do have basic layout. I personally like the layout which is present with this application called Calculator. Though on OnePlus also we do have things like, scientific converter. If you tap on this icon, you have things like currency, length, area, volume, weight, temperature, speed, pressure, power, and number system. It's not like that OnePlus Calculator doesn't have much of features, but it lacks on things like customization. And few additional things you'll get it here on Calculator application. So towards the top side, you can see we have a simple layout. With a single tap, you can switch between scientific calculator, converter, which gives you options to convert angles, area, currency, data, energy, force, fuel, length, power, pressure, speed, temperature, and so many more things. If you tap on more, here you have these additional options like loan, EMI, and even things like split bill. So in terms of design, I personally like this application, and trust me guys, this have become my primary calculator application on my OnePlus smartphones. So before talking about the customization, let's talk about these things like loan, EMI, split, and BMI. Starting off with the loan, so here you can see you just have to enter the amount. By default, you will get to see 50 lakh. Towards the bottom side, you can select the interest, which is 9%, and you can select the tenure. So the total principal is 50 lakh. Additionally, you need to pay 12 lakh 27,506 as an interest, and the total amount you need to pay is 62 lakh 27,506.57 paise. If you want, you can calculate using months also. You can change the months, or you have the option of years. A pretty nice add-on over here. Then you also have EMI calculator. Similar way, you can select the principal amount, select the tenure, and add the interest. Then this one is one of my favorite, because whenever we sit with friends, I generally use this split bill option. So for example, we spent 5,000 rupees and we also add 2% tip. Later on, you can also set how many people were there. Let's take example. So you can see per head, it comes to 850 rupees. You have given 100 rupees tip, and grand total is 5,100. Then you also have a BMI option. So let's take my example. My height is 173 and my weight is 78 kg. So with 78 kg, you can see my BMI comes to 26.06 and I'm overweight. So these are some of the additional things which I really like on this calculator application. A single application for almost all the calculations which you require normally. Now about the customization part, as I told you guys before, it has a lot of customization options. First of all is the theme one. See, the basic theme options are already there, like dark, light. We have an additional one called vintage. So once you apply that, this is how it looks. After that, if you go to the main calculator application, you can see you have a vintage look also. You can also change the accent color, and once you apply the accent color, you can see it adapts the entire UI. After that, you have an option to change the key shape. Either you can keep fully rounded keys or circular. So let's select fully rounded, and if I go back, this is how it will look once you select that option. Then you also have an option to change the fonts. If you want the nothing dot, that is also there. N type. Then you have counter, and this is how the counter looks. So let me type something and show you. Let's do a calculation 120 into 3. So this is how the final calculation will look. After that, you also have an option to rearrange the keys. So if you guys don't like the default layout, you can just drag and drop the keys towards the bottom side, and you can make your custom layout for the calculator application. A really thoughtful add-on. Then you have 3D key options. So if you have enabled that thing, you'll see these raised keys, and you have that nice animation which gives you a feel like you are pressing a physical key. After that, you also have an option to enable haptic feedback inside the calculator application. So these are the customization options in this application. You guys let me know in the comment section below. After watching this video, will you guys use this new calculator application, or you'll still prefer older OnePlus stock application? And the download links will be given in the description below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.